The LG checker, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 5 for straight talk. So Stylo 5 is going to have straight talk. So you guys are going to get another Stylo from straight talk to Stylo 5. That's what you can look at here. So Stylo 5 is an option after every Stylo 4 last year. Also this time straight talk is not you're not which is special notes, so you're getting the same specs. Solid 5 and stuff have as you would with a booster, cricket and retro stuff like that. So there is no spec change for this one. So basically one is you have in the last year. Straight talk got the solid 4 last year and they released it with 16 gigabytes of storage. So there is no spec change in this one, it's all the same. So that is boosted, they also have an 18mm screen there, it's on the camera. Air case, power button on the right side, back is on the left side. Model number is L722DL. You never see a ton of that's kind of interesting there, but the term is the same thing as the model number here. So yeah, right side is your brain button. Right side is your power button, my bad. And then in the back of the solid body, that's the camera, flash, frame, sensor, tripod model, audio logo, and whatnot. So that was black there, you guys see that right there. The Solid 5 has 4G LTE. This is probably what the normal has in service here. 6.2-inch 4G vision, 4C plus display. 13 megapixel camera, and then 5 megapixel front facing camera. 21 hours of talk time, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB long. Your dimensions are 6.33 inches height, 3.9 inches width, 3.35 inches depth. First is immersive visual experience, maximize your view with a 6.2 full vision extra display that provides total immersion into your favorite movie shows and games. Plus 4 HD video, plus 4 HD plus resolution delivers a vivid visual experience with clear picture clarity. Touch screen. Guys have the option to pay this right. Most of the last one will balance on the full retail price, which is $199.99 for retail price. You get some rate credit, it's $11.88 a month for 24 months. You have the golden credit, it's $26.77 a month for 13 weeks. Okay. Alright, so especially in the 5, this is a budget concept to keep that long. So your size is 6.33 inches, height 3.9 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Solid 5 weighs 6.38 ounces, 3500 mAh battery, 21 hour talk time, and then there's a standby time for CDMA. What you guys in the box is the LG Stylo 5 charger, battery, activation card, services guide, and quick start verification. And nothing special about the box and nothing like that. It says the service plan required for activation. Funding not returning overfundable, right? So the Solid 5 has engine Kai on there, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM. Push to photography, take your best shot with the advanced 18 megapixel camera, basic touch on autofocus. And go ahead and capture rapidly moving subject from sharp focus. Non-removable 3500 mAh battery, 6.2-inch full vision 4C plus 18mm display battery. So there you guys have the LG Stylo 5 is now here at Straight Talk for $199 for retail price. I'm glad that Straight Talk did not fuck the specs on this one like they did the Stylo 4 from last year. This one has the same specs as the Bismol version, Cricket, Metro version. So you guys will be getting the same specs on the Straight Talk Stylo 5 as you would a Bismol Stylo 5 and Sprint Stylo 5 and stuff like that. So no spec changes on this one, thank God. Now Straight Talk is they will water down the specs and shit. So well, there you guys have it. LG Stylo 5 is now here at Straight Talk. So if you guys want this video, give me a thumbs up, you guys. It does mean a lot. Peace, great, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.